Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add banner to the footer of your website. If you want to add a banner to at the downside of your website so that your website visitors can be able to have access to it very easily. So this is how you can do it. The first thing you want to do is, if you are using the HTML, you want to grab it. So let's say I want to add this banner here to the footer of my website. This website here. So I want to add it at the bottom here. So here is how you can do it. You just grab the HTML code here and you go over to your website area and go to the dashboard. So when you hover over here, you are going to see widgets. You can go from here or you go up from here from the dashboard. Let's go from the dashboard. So now you want to scroll down and look for appearance. When you hover over to the appearance area, this area is going to show up. So you are going to look for widgets. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to widgets area where we are going to be adding the HTML code to the footer side of our website. So here is the footer area. Here at the footer area, you can see the main sidebar. This is the main sidebar. So these are elements that are on the main sidebar. We have banners. There we have recent posts, we have recent comments, archive, categories, and so on and so forth. So at the header here, we also have a banner there. Now here is the footer. Here is the footer one, the footer 2 here, W3, footer 4. So now let's add the banner to the one of these footer here. Okay, so you want to click on it on this box here, and you want to click on the plus sign here. So here, since we are going to be adding the HTML code, so we're going to use the custom HTML. It's going to show up here, but if not showing up here, just type HTML, then it's going to pop up here. So this is right there. Then you click on it. So on this box here, we're going to right click your mouse and paste the code there. This is the HTML code of the banner. Now the code is in there. Now if you want to view it, how it look like, you can just click here and view how it look like. So this is the banner right there. So now the banner is there at the footer. Let's say I also want to add image. I want to add image. So if it is image that I want to add to the footer, you can just go from here and look for image, type image, and it's gonna pop up here. So when you click on image, then you can upload image that you want right from your computer or from your website library right there. So I don't want to add image on my footer, so I'm just going to leave it. So now I only want to add this banner here. So now that I've added the banner, I can just throw up here and update the setting there. So that is it. The banner is on the footer of our website. It's in the footer of the website. So now let's go. So as you can see right there, this is the banner right there at the footer side of our website. So this is the first method you can use. Another method you can use is to download the Add Inserter plugin. So let's say you want to use the Add Inserter plugin. So let's go to the dashboard and download the Add Inserter plugin. So if you want to download the plugin, you go to plugins down here and you go to add new. And you click add new, it's going to present you with this page here. This is where you are going to be looking, you are going to search for the Add Inserter plugin. So when you go on this box here and you type Add Inserter, the plugin is going to show up. So this is the plugin right there. So I already downloaded it. So you're just going to download it and activate it. Now that you've downloaded it, you want to set things up. So you go back to your website, to your plugin area. Let's go back to my plugin and settings up. Go to settings here. Click settings. So you want to use one of these blocks here. This is block 1. Block 2, have something in there. Block 3. nothing in there. So now let's paste in the code here, the HTML code. So the HTML code is in there. So now when you scroll down here, you can choose where you want this banner to show up. Your post, home page, categories, tag. So when you choose that, it's gonna show up. You can preview it here, and here you can choose how you want the banner to show up. Okay. Here you can align it to the right, to the left, to the side. You want it to float, or you want to add other CSS code if you know how to do that. Now that's finished, just go here, save setting. So now that I've set up the block, you want to insert it into your website. So this block can be inserted into anywhere on your website. You can insert it to the header, to the footer, to the sidebar, anywhere on your website. So to do that, you want to go to appearance area on your dashboard area. You want to go to widgets. So here at the widgets area, you can see that you have main sidebar. This is the main sidebar. So if you want to add the block to the sidebar, you can do it here. Just scroll down and click the plus here. Then you add it to the sidebar. You want to add it to the header, you can just click there as well, and click the plus sign here and add it to the header. And you choose the add inserter and you add the block 3. This is where our code is, so you are ready to go. So we want to add this to our footer. So let's go to the footer. This is the footer right there. So you want to scroll down and click the plus sign and look for and type add inserter. Add inserter. So this is right there. So you are going to look for the block 3 that we just set up right now. So this is the block there. When you choose that block, it's going to show up. So you go here and update your settings here, and that is it. So it's going to show up in all the pages and post on your website. So now let's visit the website. So now when you scroll down to the bottom, to the footer area, you're going to see the banner right there. So that's how you add banners to the footer of your website. So hopefully you'll be able to follow along and gain something from this tutorial. If you guys have any question or have anything to say about this tutorial, please let me know in the comment area down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.